In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change iCloud email display name. If you've ever sent an email and wish the name that shows in someone's inbox looked a little more professional, more personal, or simply more accurate, this is for you. We're talking about the display name, the friendly name that appears next to your email address in the From line, not your actual email address or Apple ID. We'll do this using iCloud Mail on the web. This is the most reliable place to set the name people see, and it works especially well if you use aliases. Start by opening a browser and going to iCloud.com/mail. Sign in with your Apple ID to get into your mailbox. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner for the gear icon. That gear is your settings menu. Click it, then open Settings or Preferences and head to Accounts. In the Accounts section, you'll see your iCloud email address and any aliases you've created. Click the address you want to update. You'll notice a field labeled Full Name. This is the exact name that appears to recipients when you send mail. Edit that field to the name you want people to see, maybe your full name, your business name, or a clean variation that matches your signature. When you're happy with it, save your changes. That's it. From now on, messages you send from iCloud.com will show the updated display name. Here's what to expect next. This change usually carries over to many other devices and apps where that iCloud account is set up, because the server now knows the preferred from name. If you use aliases, remember each alias can have its own display name. Select each alias in the accounts list and set the full name you want for that alias, then save. A few helpful notes. Some email apps may still pull the name associated with your Apple ID or what's saved in your contacts card. That's normal, and it can make the change look inconsistent at first. Also, recipients who already saved you in their address book might keep seeing your old name because their contact entry overrides what you send. Your update affects new outgoing emails, not messages you sent in the past. If you don't see the new name immediately in your own view, give it a moment and make sure you saved. The change is stored on Apple's servers and will reflect as new messages are composed and delivered. And that's how to change your iCloud email display name quickly and cleanly right from iCloud.com.